In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily rename a theme in your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to better organize your themes or make your dashboard more intuitive, renaming a theme can really help you streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center and where you'll manage different aspects of your online store. Once you're there, glance over to the menu options on the left side of your screen. You're looking for the Online Store option, which is typically a few options down. Click on that to expand the section. Now that you've opened the Online Store section, you'll notice several options appear underneath it. You'll want to go ahead and click on Themes. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing the look and feel of your store. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll see your current theme displayed at the top, along with any themes you may have previously explored. Scroll down to the section labeled Theme Library. Here, you'll find a collection of all the themes you've uploaded to your store. Identify the particular theme you're interested in renaming. It might be helpful to take a moment and think about why you want to rename it. Maybe you're setting it aside for a specific promotion, or perhaps it's just a backup theme you're testing. Either way, having a clear name can save time in the long run. With your theme in sight, look to the right-hand side of the theme listing. You're searching for a small button with 3 dots on it. This represents more options. It might seem a bit hidden, but once you click those 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a range of actions you can take. From this menu, locate the Rename option and give it a click. This is your gateway to renaming your theme. Now you'll have the opportunity to enter a new name that better reflects the theme's purpose or design. Whether it's something creative or straightforward, ensure the name is something that instantly makes sense to you and anyone else working with you. Once you've typed in your chosen name, all you have left to do is click Save. Don't forget this step. Hitting Save finalizes the change, and you'll notice your theme's new name displayed in your library. This might seem like a simple action, but keeping your themes well organized can really enhance workflow efficiency and make managing your store just a bit easier. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a theme in Shopify. With this newfound knowledge, feel free to update your theme names whenever necessary, keeping your store well organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Shopify tips for more ways to optimize your store management experience. Happy selling!